All right, man, Finally, I got some clothing for you guys. It's been a minute since my last clothing drop. I did one in the spring. I think that was the last time. But we are not talking about why it's been so long or anything like that. We're talking about today's drop. I'm very excited to share this stuff with you guys because I haven't done really anything like this. I've got 4 new items. They're all cohesive. They all go well together. Real quick though, let's start with sizing. Everything for the most part fits true to size, and everything has somewhat of a relaxed, roomy fit. None of this is oversized or anything like that, but it does have a generous, relaxed fit because that's just the style that I wanted to go for, especially with it being layering season in the fall and winter. So just like my other clothing drops, the product is live as soon as this video is live. And the reason I do that is because the people that have notifications turned on and the people that really rock with my videos and tune in as soon as I drop it, I want them to be able to have first access. Down in the description is a link to my website where all this stuff is available. So like I said, there are 4 items in this Win Collection drop. Let me break down all of them for you right now. Okay, so starting things off, let's talk about this hoodie that I've got right here. Same one that I am wearing. As you can see, it's in this royal blue color. And the reason for that is actually the inspiration behind this whole collection. Royal blue, black, and white. Those were actually my high school colors, and I kind of always wanted to use those colors and do something on my own. So that's exactly what you see here. You've got a royal blue hoodie, 2 different t-shirts, and then the last piece also incorporates royal blue. It's either an accent color or the standout color through everything, and that's just something that I had always wanted to do. There's no reference to the school or anything, it's just the colors. So the best thing about this sweatshirt is how comfortable it is. It's a super soft cotton fleece that you can get a ton of wear out of. You've probably seen me wear this before, and that's because I've had a sample of this sweatshirt for over a year now, and I've worn it a ton. It's held up great. It's pill resistant, so it's not gonna get all pilly and attract a bunch of stuff like some other sweatshirts do. It's also shrink resistant, so it's not gonna shrink up on you. The hood is double lined, so you don't have that fleece that's gonna stick to your hat or whatever you're wearing. Front and center on the sweatshirt, you can see my Win logo embroidered in white, and it's really clean. I didn't do anything fancy here. I wanted to keep my logo on every single item somewhat subtle and basic and small. So that is the pullover hooded sweatshirt, and the price on this and everything else in this collection is very reasonable, and that's kind of to reflect my budget. When I was in high school, I didn't have all the money in the world to really buy clothes, so I was really shopping on sale racks, and you know, I really had to stretch a dollar as far as clothing went. So this sweatshirt is priced at $42, which I think is very reasonable for what it is. The t-shirts are priced at $20, but I don't really want to get ahead of myself. I'll talk about those in a second. Here's the sweatshirt. Let's get into the tees. Okay, so getting into this first t-shirt, it's predominantly black with a royal blue Win logo, and that's pretty much it. This is designed to wear when you're layering. This can definitely be a standalone t-shirt and wear it as it is. You've seen me rock this a few times in like a couple lookbooks and whatnot, but this is mostly for layering. The fit and the cut of this t-shirt is what's most important. It's also very comfortable. It's a soft cotton, just like the hoodie is, but the length of this tee is probably like an inch longer than your normal basic tee that you would like buy at the mall somewhere. So it's not elongated by any means, it's just a little bit longer so that you can layer with it and give off that look. Same thing with the sleeves. I wanted those to be somewhat roomy as well, and then same thing with the chest. Just think of it as slightly more roomy than a standard t-shirt that you would buy in the store, and that's exactly what I was going for. With this one, it was made in Mexico, and getting it to the price point where I could sell it to you guys for $20 was difficult. And like I've mentioned before, my margins aren't crazy on any of this stuff. I'm not trying to make a buck. This is about me just as much as it is about you guys buying this stuff. This means a lot to me, and I really want to do it right. I don't want you to just buy the logo. That's why they're so secondary with this collection. Like, don't even look at the logo. Look at the tee. Most people, when they sell their merch or their clothing, they're selling the logo. They're throwing that on a Gildan tee and they're pushing it out there. That is not what I'm going for here. My logo is secondary on this t-shirt. I want you to look at the actual tee. I want you to think, oh, that's gonna look dope layered underneath a hoodie that I have. But I can't yap, I gotta keep it moving. All right, so here is the next t-shirt. It is the same exact cotton, same exact fit, and same exact quality as the black t-shirt that I just showed you guys. However, it's a different color. It's all royal blue, but this one is different because of the logo. It is a small Win logo done in white, and this is actually the first time I've used this Win logo, and this was the original Win logo that I did. It's different than the script logo that you guys see on all of my stuff, and this logo has somewhat of like a throwback 90s type feel to me, like something you would see in graffiti, I feel like. But this one is definitely a little bit more unique and not something you're gonna see me use very often. So like I said, the tees are priced at $20, so you can get both if you want to without breaking the bank, or get multiple, whatever it is. I hope that that price point is reasonable for you guys. I've got one more thing to show you. I'm very hyped on it. Let's get into it. All right, so as you know, it's hoodie season, it's layering season, and it is also flannel season. You gotta have your flannels on deck. So here we go with my first flannel. As you can see, it's royal blue, black, and then you've got my Win logo embroidered on the left side there, right above the pocket. This thing fits great with everything else that I showed you in this video. You can wear either one of the tees underneath it. You can actually throw this flannel on over the hoodie, and that's how I'm gonna layer all three items this winter. It's a great look. I've already worn it multiple times, and that is one of the big reasons why I'm releasing all this together, so you can wear it as an outfit if you'd like to. So this flannel has somewhat of a roomier fit, just like the sweatshirt and the tees do, and you can style it on its own if you'd like, or you can throw it over the hoodie, whatever you think fits best. But man, this is a classic flannel combination in my opinion. Obviously, you've got the red and black that you see most often, but it's kind of hard to find a good royal blue and black flannel. I don't really want to yap too much longer because I've already said so much in this video. I really hope you guys like this collection. Down in the description, you can check it out if you want to buy anything. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it down in the comment section. And I have a ton of stuff on the way. I'm already working on the next 2 or 3 clothing drops, and like I'm looking at them right now, so I know that they are mostly done. I'm waiting on a few things, and then I have a big surprise to share with you. I've already spoke about it briefly. I hope you guys enjoy the items if you go ahead and cop them. I've already worn this with my royal blue ones, my storm blue ones, my true blue 3s. Like any Jordans that have a blue color as an accent go so well with all this stuff. And then of course, just a basic white or black shoe will do the trick as well. I don't know, I'm gonna throw some Timbs on. There's so much you can do. As always, thank you guys for the support. This is not possible without you. I truly appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.